Guys, welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day. We did have selling come back into the market today, so we'll take a look at that. Welcome, guys. Welcome. All right. So we did have some selling come back into the market. No surprise, we're still holding support on the indexes. All right. So the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, and the Russell are still holding support, but we did have selling resume today. All right. So on the Dow, guys, we were down 155 points down for the Dow. All right. S&P was down slightly, 18 points. Nasdaq, 92 points. That's a big down day for the Nasdaq. IWM, the Russell was also down. So you guys look here on the S&P, we are holding support, but look here, all right? So we had 2 days of selling here on the S&P, all right? On the Nasdaq, if you look here, sellers are coming back in, all right? Looking to test support here, okay? Here on the Dow, red candle came in today. All right, so notice that we have no buy signals, guys. Okay, so the last time we got a buy signal on the Dow was all the way back here, sell signal. So we haven't had a buy signal since. All right, and that's going back. What's that? That's going back all the way in December. December the 20th was the last time we had a buy signal here on the Dow. All right, S&P, here was the last buy signal. On the Nasdaq, here was the last buy signal all the way here, sell signal here. So it's been a while since we've had buy signals in equities. Okay, so just be aware of that. We are definitely selling off. We're in the markdown phase. You guys can see that we came from a high here, all right, on the IWM at 243, and we keep moving lower, all right, 230. 219, all the way down now to 204. Okay, so be aware of the intraday noise or the daily noise. Okay, we keep moving lower. Support is all the way down here. Now the VIX, the only encouraging thing is the VIX is still holding. All right, so it made its way all the way up to 30, has retraced, and is now at 1869. So it's holding below 20 for now. Okay. Most of the indexes, most of the sectors are down, if you guys can see here. All right. We have energy and utilities are struggling to hold there, but most of the sectors, if not all of the sectors, are currently down. Indexes are down, and VIX, right? That VIX should be moving higher, okay? It's currently down, but it should be moving higher because we keep moving lower. The futures market, let's take a look here. The dollar has been getting a bounce off, all right, off support right down here, which is right around 102. So it's getting a bit of support, right? But just keep an eye on that. Currently in the futures market, the E-minis, right? E-minis are down. All right, so be aware of that. As we trade, as we do our live trading today, in the morning tomorrow, right? Live trading in the morning tomorrow. We'll keep an eye on how the futures are doing overnight, so we can look for some opportunities in the market on the E-minis tomorrow. In particular, the Dow, S&P, and the NAS. All right, tomorrow. So currently, futures are down. Keep an eye on that. All right. We know what the sectors are doing. Nothing much here. Okay. On the Magnificent Seven stocks, let's see how they're doing. All right. The first one here, Apple, guys. Apple is finding some support right here. All right. So it's holding support right here. That's good for Apple. Let's remove this for now since it's holding. All right. The goal for Apple is to get buyers to come in, start testing resistance here. If it breaks through that support line right here, that's a major concern for Apple. All right. Tesla has been moving higher. Let's see here. It's on the daily time frame. All right. We got a white candle here, And now red candles are coming in, so we could see Tesla move lower. All right, so let's bring that in here. All right, so just keep in mind, a lot of times when that price moves to the moving average, that's an area for sellers to come on back in, just like it did here, right? Just like it's doing here, come back in, test that support down here. All right, so be careful with Tesla. It did make a nice move higher there. We cut that move on the 30-minute time frame. All right, so we did send this out 30-minute time frame here, bought here, sold here. That trade is over though for now. Okay, just a short quick trade there. All right, that's Tesla. Microsoft. All right, Microsoft, same thing here, guys. All right, so let's remove all of this. So we've got support, really good support right here, right here, right here. All right, we were looking for a bounce, right? A bounce kind of like here. All right, got a little bounce to that moving average again. All right, you see where price moved right to that moving average, came on down. Here we are, sellers are coming back in after that white candle there. Pay attention to that. So Microsoft, nothing there. Good news though, for right now, holding support right here. Okay, so they're at a critical point where they're holding support. Meta, Facebook, but overall we should be out. All right, so Apple right here, guys, the last buy signal came in here, sell signal. So just keep in mind as we go through these, they've been sell signals for a long time. Apple sell signal came in, what's that, January the 10th. That's a long time ago. All right, since we had a sell signal on Apple. All right, Tesla, the last buy signal was right here. What's that? November, right? No, October the 10th, closed. All right, February the 7th. We haven't had a buy signal since then. Okay, and for good reason, right? So the sell signal we got on Tesla was at 372. Guys, it's at 290, 293, 297 right here. Okay, so follow our price action there. Follow the system. The last buy signal we got in on Microsoft was what's that? December the 4th. Sell signal came in at January the 6th, a month later, and we haven't had a sales another buy signal since then. And we've been moving lower here, moving lower. Okay. Meta, Facebook, same thing here. Last buy signal was December the 2nd. Sell signal came in, what's that? March the 6th. And we haven't had a buy signal here. We're looking to break support here. Hey, Anthony, welcome, Anthony. Okay. So with all of the Max 7s, we haven't had a buy signal, guys, on the daily time frame. And the daily time frame is what we watch, okay, for buy signals on these Max 7 stocks, okay? So also Google, the last time we got a buy signal, right, was 9/30/2024. Sell signal came in, was that February the 10th. We haven't had a buy signal then. That sell signal came in at $187. Here we are, 162. Okay, so we haven't had buy signals, so we want to make sure that we follow that price action. We're looking to break support here. All right, so price came all the way to that moving average here, right? Sellers markdown phase, you guys know this, looking to break support here, okay? All right, so just be aware of that. On NVIDIA, the last buy signal that came in, all right, was January the 7th. The sell signal came in at January the 28th. Buy signal, the last buy signal came in at right at 150, 150, 151. Sell signal came in at 126. Here we are, 111. and we're looking now to test support down here again. Okay, sellers are coming back. So I want to go through this to show you guys, right? We should have been out long time ago. Okay, and we're not looking for any buy signals yet. All right, we're a long way from getting buy signals. Okay. All right, so that's the Magnificent Sevens, and just understand if the Magnificent Sevens are not doing well, equities will not do very well. Okay. Dow on the daily time frame. Let's remove this. We're at a critical point on the Dow. All right, so we're right at support on the Dow here. Notice we've moved the trend lines for now. Big resistance here, big support. Sellers are coming back down here to test that support. We were looking for, right? We're looking for, and that doesn't mean we can't get it, right? Right? Anything can happen, guys. Okay, buyers could certainly come in tomorrow. We have data coming in tomorrow. All right, so we can certainly, right, gap up like it did here, right? Get some green candles and start testing resistance again. But right now we're near support here. So we look for price to break through that support, but it might not. All right, it might continue to hold support here. We'll keep an eye on it. Dow daily time frame, Dow weekly time frame. We do have a sell signal here on the weekly time frame, just like we got a sell signal here. Dow monthly time frame, it's holding for now. All right, S&P, look at the S&P, guys, on the daily time frame. Definitely in trouble. Broke through that trend line. All right, and guess what? All right, no surprise here, right? This is where buyers' longs get squeezed, right? Right, they're looking for a rally, think that price is oversold, right? Get that rally, all right? Move it all the way to that resistance line. So previous support becomes resistance. All the way to that moving average, and then sellers come on back down. All right, and they've got a force to close positions. Okay, we don't want to do that. All right, so sellers are coming in right there. S&P daily time frame, weekly time frame, we have a sell signal. So these are big macro moves on the weekly. Pay attention. All right, to the weekly time frame. A lot of buying would have to happen. A lot of buying would have to happen, right, to get another buy signal on the break of this resistance here. Okay, so we have a sell signal. Expect some additional selling. All right, unless price shows us otherwise. S&P on the monthly holding for now. NASDAQ also in trouble. All right, guys, the last buy signal came in on the NASDAQ. What's that here? On 9/2024. Sell signal on the NASDAQ came in on 1/6/25. That's January, guys. We haven't had a buy signal since then. Look what the price has done. It's came off way off the high, all-time highs here, trading right here on the NASDAQ. All right, so a lot of your tech stocks have been coming down. Near-term support is right here on the NASDAQ. Further support, we can actually, let's remove this here. Further support all the way down here on the NASDAQ, okay? Weekly time frame on the NASDAQ, we have a sell signal, okay? Just like we did here, every candle is a week's worth of data there. That's big macro. That's a big deal, all right? Sell signal here. Sellers are coming in, red candle there, okay? All right. All right. NASDAQ on the monthly time frame. Let me go back here. Okay. This is critical here. This is critical. Believe me, traders, the big traders are watching this, right? And they've been getting out. All right. So you still have a lot of retail traders like us, right? Retail small traders that are still holding equities. But if this collapse, right, and this can happen relatively quickly, guys, okay, that's a big deal, all right? That's why we've trimmed the positions in Stock Boss Bullmaster, right, Bullmaster Pro, because this is a critical point. We're not in the markup phase anymore on the weekly time frame, right? We're not long. We don't have a long trend, okay? That trend is over, just like it did here. Here is your trend. Here is your opportunity, right? Now they're done. Here was your opportunity. Now they're done. Okay, so boy, keep an eye on that. Be aware. All right, of where we are. We need to be on the right side of the market. That's why we go through this. Nasdaq monthly time frame. All right, holding here. The goal here, if the market really corrects, right, becomes very, very bearish, right, we have adjusted already. Russell, same thing here, guys. The last buy signal on the Russell, the IWM small caps came in on 10, 15, 24. Right, the sell signal was on, what's that, 12 December 19th, 24. That's a long time ago. When as far as the markets, right, that's a long time ago. Long time ago since we've had a buy signal, right? Really tried, right, to break through resistance here. Really struggled. Sellers came in. Look how far we are now. All right, and we're looking to test support down here. This market is in trouble for sure. Russell weekly time frame, buy signal here, sell signal here, buy signal here. Look at the sellers coming in just like they did here. So don't be fooled by any intraday moves. Okay, the overall direction right now is lower. Support is right here. We're a good distance away from support. Near-term support right here. Right, if we get past this area here, which looks like we might, right, further support is all the way down here. Russell on the monthly time frame struggling to hold. Bitcoin consolidating right now. Let's do this on Bitcoin. Hold on. Bitcoin's price action here is price is being squeezed. So we could see a move either to the upside or to the downside. Let's do this. All right, so expect some type of a breakout. All right, with Bitcoin right here, okay? Or it can just continue to consolidate within its triangle right here, trading at 87,000 on Bitcoin there, okay? Gold keeps moving higher. Look at gold, guys. All right, that's the best trade right now we've got going. All right, so precious metals, right, your metals, all right, gold, that's the best trade we've got going right now. In equities, all right, gold is at 3,097, guys. Look at that, just amazing price action. Silver is breaking out also at 31, right, 31.32. All right, good breakout here on silver. Crude oil still holding right here. Bonds, oh boy, we got a sell signal in bonds. That's not good. All right, so we did have a sell signal, right? It's breaking down. Support is right here. All right, so hopefully, right, we can recapture a lot of support down here. So we don't expect it to break through, right? This support area here, break through here. I have a lot of support here. So hopefully that will hold, right? And hopefully, right now we just need to hold somewhere in here, okay? Somewhere in here. We are hoping for another move like this, all right? So don't, rates will, for right now, keep perhaps holding still or move higher, okay? The dollar right now is holding at 104 on the daily. Here on the weekly, we have a sell signal. And on the monthly, same thing here. Pound yen. Pound yen is moving higher. Okay, so we'll take a look at pound yen and the yen pairs. It is moving higher, slowly moving higher. It did break through yesterday. We had a nice big candle. Break through that resistance right here yesterday. All right, actually today. New candle here opened at 5 p.m. Okay, so good move right here in pound yen. We could move this now since we've broken through. Next resistance high is right here on the daily time frame, And on the weekly time frame, here we are. All right, so our monster scalper traders, guys, pay attention on the weekly time frame. Pound yen, look at pound yen. All right, big green candle came in this week here. All right, gotten off that trend. Look at that, gotten off that trend line here. Big candles coming in. We'll look to test resistance. All right, here. So pound yen looks good. Get ready. All right, get ready there. All right, current positions in Monster Scalper. Let's go through those. Okay. All right. On the 60-minute time frame, we have a few, 3 longs, no shorts. All right, Aussie dollar. All right. Buy signal was here. Red candle, sell signals, we should be out. All right. All right. That totally failed. There. Aussie, New Zealand, same thing. Buy signal here, red candle. All right. All right. We should be out right here, guys. Buy signal here, red candle. We should be out. New Zealand dollar, same thing. Buy signal here, red candle. First red candle right here. We should be out. Don't wait for your sell signal there, okay? So the 60 minutes still struggling there, okay? On the 240, we've got some yen pairs on the 240 and euro pairs, some euro pairs short. Let's take a look. So on the 240, we've got some yen pairs. So dollar yen on the 240. All right, continuing to hold. All right, buy signal here, holding firm for now. HKD JPY, buy signal holding, right? We need that to break out, keep moving higher. Markdown phase, markup phase, choppy, but let's see how it does. CAD yen. All right, CAD yen, good markdown phase, buy signal here, holding for now. We need to move higher. And again, it's encouraging that pound yen is moving higher. They should move higher. EUR/TRY consolidating here. We're going to close this, okay? Nothing is happening here. Good trade, but let's close that. Purple support and resistance, right? In here, consolidating a bit. Let's close that there. All right, Euro pair short on the 240 in Monster Scalper. Let's take a look. And we'll take a look at equities, okay? Look at basic materials. Oh my goodness. They're moving with gold. That's the best trade right now in equities. Shorts on the 240. Let's see how these euro trades are doing. Euro pairs. Oh, come on. There has to be a better way to do this. Hold on. All right, shorts, Euro CAD, sell short signal here, white candles here, guys. It's still holding here. All right, we need sellers to come on back down. All right, test support here. So Euro CAD, all right, still holding there. All right, Euro SGD, sell short signal here. Be aware of this, right? White candles here. We need sellers to come on back down. This is where it gets really tricky, okay? So we need to come on back down like it did here. White candles, red candles. White candles, red candles, right? This way, we'll test your patience there. Euro pound, sell short signal here, keeps coming down nicely. Euro HKD, same thing here. Sell short signal here. We need red candles, guys, to come on back down. Good news, purple support and resistance. That's what we want in the markdown phase, okay? So you see here, here's your markup. This is where it will test you. All right, mark up, mark down. We're now in the markdown phase. Sellers are in control here. Right here. And we just need that price to keep coming down, okay? Right, if it breaks through here, green candle, buy to cover signal, you close. But just right here is where it will test you. All right? Test your patience there. USD, EUR/USD, same thing here. Euro, dollar. So notice what they're doing here. All right, mark up, mark down. All right, try to bring in your lines. This will help you stay in the trade, stay with it. Keep your emotions intact. All right. And the goal is get some red candles. Come on back down, test support here. And then you'll have your target all the way down here. That's a good target too. And that's a lots of pips. All right, but it's going to test you. All right, before you get those pips. Euro Swiss. Same thing here. Sell short signal. See here? White candle right here. Red candles are coming in. That's what we want to see with the others, okay? So sell short signal here, broke support. White candle, red candle, sellers are coming back down. All right, test that support down there. Euro SEK. All right, that trade is breaking down nicely. Sell short signal here. Good move here. Look at the previous trades. So it's trading Euro SEK, trading really well on the 240. So short here, buy to cover. So short, buy to cover. So short, good price action. Moving lower there. Okay, so those are the Euro pairs. All right, in Forex Dominator, we've got some long positions. Let's go through those on the daily time frame. And we have the Euro, look at that, Euro long on the daily, huh? Short on the 240, long on the daily. So Euro NZD, buy signal here, pulling back here. Euro CAD, all right, buy signal here, pull back, buyers are coming back in there. Euro SGD, buy signal here, all right. Notice how you can trade the different time frames, different directions, right? Doesn't happen a lot, but we're doing fine now. Buy signal here, bit of a pullback, holding here. SGD, HKD, buy signal here, holding. Euro dollar, buy signal here, holding its target in sight right here. TRY, EUR TRY, buy signal here, that's holding. Pound Aussie, buy signal, holding. Pound New Zealand, holding here. Break of resistance. CAD, pound CAD, buy signal, holding. All right, pound HKD, buy signal here. Good mark up phase, keeps moving up nicely. Target is here. Pound dollar, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Slowly moving, guys. Slowly moving there. Pound SGD, buy signal here on a breakout, right? Holding here. And pound yen, look at that, pound yen. All right, so pound yen, buy signal here, right? Moving higher for that. And then euro yen, buy signal looking to break through that resistance there. So they're slowly moving higher, okay? We have a few shorts on the daily time frame. Forex Dominator here. Let's take a look. So dollar short, USD PLN. All right, reached its target. Okay, and we're just holding on to these right now. So short here, holding. All right. Notice these white candles, right? That's an area where we panic, right? That price is going against us. But look here, white candles came back down. White candles came back down. White candles came back down, okay? USD PLN. USD HUF. USD HUF. All right, same thing. Sell short signal. See, white candle, price came, sellers came on back in. That's what we're hoping. For USD SEK, right? Broke a big support, guys. This is a big support here. Broke a big support, keeps moving lower. Sell short signal all the way down up here. Great trade going there. Euro SEK. TRY JPY. Sold short here, keeps moving lower there. Good trade there. SGD JPY, that closed, guys. So sell, sold short here. Breaking resistance, green candle, buy to cover signal here. We should be out, okay? Out of this trade. SGD JPY, USD JPY, same thing here. Sell short signal here, green candle here, broke to that resistance. We should be out. USD JPY, HKD, same thing. HKD JPY. All right, so the yen pairs are trying to make a move higher, guys. Okay, if these develop, we might get a buy signal to go long on HKD JPY. Right now, close the short. Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen, sold short signal here, still holding there for now. We'll just leave it. All right, for now, but you guys see what's happening. If you're trading it, certainly you might want to close the trade. Good support here, here, all through here. Looks like buyers could come in there. Okay, we'll leave that for now. All right, equities. Let's take a look at those basic material stocks. And we'll see if we can add a few more this evening. All right, Stock Boss trades. Let's take a look. All right, basic materials, guys. ASM, good trading here. Look at this, right? All right, there used to be a time when the market is bearish like this, we would just stop. But now we can always find a rotation. Okay. In this case, guess what? The basic materials. All right. So that's where they're putting capital to work. So ASM buy signal was right here, guys, at 152, trading at 196. These are small cap stocks. Good trade going there. NAK, guys, was a really good trade. Nice breakout here. A buy signal at 77. I think we called it right in here after the gap up here. We called it right here at 96, trading at 116, holding nicely there. Look at that. All right, next one there, basic material. NGD. Hopefully you guys are taking advantage of these moves here. NGD, nice break of resistance here. Good trade going here. Buy signal. Again, these are cheap stocks here. All right, or let's say inexpensive, right? NGD, buy signal 316, trading at 362. All right. SID, another one here, buy signal here. This one is still holding. All right, all basic materials there. All right, TGB, buy signal here, that's holding for now. And UAMY, guys, buy signal here, nice breakout, reaccumulation. Look how they've been buying it, right? Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Buy signal on the break of this resistance. Buy signal came in at, what's that? 211, trading at 234. All right, nice early break. And COMP, that is tech. That one is holding, right? It's not basic materials, but it's holding nicely there, okay? All these are in Stock Boss. Let's take a look at Bullmaster there. So Bullmaster, AU, all right? These are all basic materials. Notice where we are, guys. The sectors that we're in. Basic materials, basic materials. Those are your metals, right? Gold, silver, right? Steel, all right? Platinum, palladium, all of that, okay? So AU, buy signal here, holding nicely there. BVN, all right, another one, buy signal right here, right? Red candle got back in about right here at 1388, trading at 1579, right here. Another one here. EGO, choppy markdown phase here, but we're looking for an overall move in this sector, basic material. All right, buy signal here, nice buy signal, clean buy signal. All right, buy signal here, we're moving up nicely here. Okay, EGO, FCX, another basic material here. Let's bring in our lines. All right, this one gap down. Be aware of that. It's still holding though. We need buyers to come on back. No red candles, no sell signal. It did gap down today. That's too bad, but it is still holding for now. Target all the way up here. So FCX, keep an eye on that one. Gold, GOLD. Look at gold, right? Right, that buy signal came in at 1786, guys. I'm sorry, 1766, right about here. Trading at 1965, a good trade going here. Here is resistance here above gold. And you know what, gold? We looked at the gold index, okay? So no surprise there. HMY, right? Another basic material. Buy signal here. Let's move this. All right, buy signal here, moving up, right? Wants to break out there. MP, all right, buy signal here, holding. So, guys, basic material. SQM, right, basic material. This one failed, all right. So, buy signal here. It is back between support and resistance with a red candle. So, we need to close this one here, okay. All right, don't let that get out of hand. Energy. NFG, that's the energy sector here. That's holding nicely here. Good trend line here. Look at that. All right, buy signal here was at 68, trading at 78. And then the last one here, BABA, buy signal here, holding firm. But basic materials, guys, basic materials. All right. So those are current alerts that we've sent out, and we post these alerts in your school community. So if you guys are in the school, you join the school community, you have access to these alerts, okay? All righty. All right. Before I forget, we're going to go right to Stock Boss, okay? Stock Boss Bullmaster. And then we'll take a look at the US 30. Okay, don't let me forget the US 30 and then Monster Scalper. So Stock Boss, let's see. Let's run it again. Get a fresh scan here. So 27 in Stock Boss, we're looking for basic materials, guys. Basic materials. So NGD in Stock Boss, we're in that already. SWIM, we're not in that one. We need a buy signal. So no buy signal yet on the daily. Keep an eye on that, but wait. UAMY, we're in that already there. All right, NAK, all right, NAK, we're in that already. We've called that already. The last basic material, that's a new one. IE, let's see if we have a buy signal. All right. Oh, IE. Oh. Okay. This is a little tricky. We do not have buyers on the weekly, guys. All right, we do not have. So this is going against our rule here. We would like to see at least a white candle here on the weekly time frame. So we have support. We have good support down here. Right, we really need some buying to come in like this, all right, like here, at a minimum a white candle. All right. But we know this is they're all risky, right? But this one here, but this basic material is making a move. So we have support here, support here. We are going to add this one here. I wouldn't go heavy though. Okay. Only thing we're missing is a white candle there on the daily time frame. Okay, so we are going against our rule here, but it is a good setup. Good markdown phase. Look at that. That price is coming from buy signal is at 672. Really like what basic material is doing here. All right, so good buy signal here. Here was the previous buy signal. All right, here was the previous buy signal, but good, lots of good selling here. So if it gets us, give a sell signal, it should get us out early somewhere in here. Okay, so we're gonna call that, but boy, sellers are still on the weekly there, so just be aware of that. So IE, and that is in Stock Boss. Okay, and that's the only one there. All right, so Bull Master. Let's get a fresh scan here. 26 in Bull Master. We have one basic material, and that's X. All right, and we're not in that one there. Okay, so in this case, we do have buyers on the weekly. That's good. So we have buyers here on the weekly, green candles breaking resistance there on the weekly time frame. Again, the symbol is X here. Okay. Hold on. Is this on the 60? All right. This one is the daily. Okay. All right. Sometimes I move these around. On the daily. All right. Daily looks good there. Okay. So we're breaking out on the weekly. Buyers are on the weekly there, guys. Okay. We're breaking out. So this is a breakout trade. All right. I would reaccumulation, breakout. Lots of resistances here. But we are breaking out. All right. So here's our resistance right here. Here is support. It's been in a range there, tight range. All right. So resistance, support, right? All of this consolidation, but it is breaking out. And it is part of that sector, right? So buy signal here. We keep making higher highs, higher lows. You guys can see that here. And here we are, buy signal, we are breaking out. So X, and that is in Bull Master. All right, so we're able to add each system an additional basic material stock, okay? The other sectors, we just wait. All right, we just wait. Our US 30 traders, and we'll watch this in the morning, okay? So we currently have a sell short signal. We didn't call this, okay? We have a lot of consolidation right in here. So we'll wait to see what the market does, right, in the morning. On the daily time frame, we have sellers coming back in, but we're at a critical point here at support. So we could see either sellers continue to push the price lower or buyers come in here on the 60. All right, but we'll wait to see what happens in the morning when we go live, okay? All right, so again, we didn't call this short. All right, we didn't call it here. We'll wait to see what happens, okay? All right. Monster scalper. Let's take a look at the yen pairs. Look for some opportunities in the yen pairs there. We'll start with the 60-minute time frame, okay? 60-minute time frame, yen pairs. And we don't have any longs right now on the 60. Let's see here. They're pulling back. All right, we might have to wait then. All right, these yen pairs are pulling back. We do have buy signals, but they're pulling back on the 60. Take a look at the euro pairs there. EUR, SGD, long 60. All right, remember we shortened the euro pairs though on the 240, okay? So be aware of that. EUR, NZD. All right, just a quick trade on the 60 there. All right. Buyers are coming in there on the 240 there. EUR, HKD, 60. EUR, AUD, long 60. All right, we're almost done. On the 240, really want to take a look here. Yen pairs on the 240. We have 3 already. Let's see if we can add some more. ZAR Yen, ZAR, JPY, long 240 in Monster Scalper. Dollar Yen, we're ready in dollar yen there. SGD, JPY. Let's add that. I would wait for that to get above that resistance line there. It does have a buy signal. That's under 240 there. HKD, we're in that one there. Pound yen. All right, pound yen on the daily has a buy signal there. 240 has a buy signal. It is breaking out. Choppy in here, guys, but it is breaking the high here. So pound yen 240. GBP, JPY, long 240. All righty. Euro yen, wait for a buy signal. Swiss yen, that's gone. CAD yen, we're in that one. Trading that. Aussie yen, let's add Aussie yen there. I would wait. All right, let's get that price above resistance there. We'll call it AUD, JPY. All right. So we've got some trades. Be careful, guys, with any of these. If you're not trading with us, you're not using the system, do not trade these. You guys can watch for some opportunities in the dollar pairs. We're not going to call those, but keep an eye out on those. Okay. All right. I will see everyone in the morning for live trading. Okay. Our stock boss traders, bull master traders, basic material stocks. Okay. That's perhaps the best trade going right now. Okay, basic material stocks, that sector, not the entire market, just that sector. Okay, all right, guys, thanks for coming. I'll see everyone tomorrow in our live trading room. Okay, take care. See you tomorrow. Be careful with these markets as always. Okay?